Spending time outdoors, especially in a new place, and you're really making that discovery. I think science is very much like that. A lot of research in cancer, for instance, there are many times that you kind of hit a wall, you have not found that answer and you have to go in a different direction. I think we need to follow the science because the discoveries that have been made beforehand lead us to new discoveries that might lead to more effective treatments that ultimately will assist the patients and provide a better quality of life.
Cancer, I often say, is smarter than we are. And so if we don't follow the science, there's no way that we'll ever be able to combat this. In May of 2015, my mother was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia, which is also known as AML. And that's the exact disease state that I was working in at the time. Having that personal connection, I think, helps me relate to the healthcare providers that we work with who are touched, obviously, by cancer every single day.
There are so many people at Astellas who are looking for the next great thing.
Astellas is an incredibly collaborative environment. All of those people have a different perspective and are ultimately, though, striving for the same goal of getting patients access to these drugs.
You always have to think about the patient. That is really the center of what we're all doing with the oncology program.
Seeing something go from, an idea in a lab to a pill or an IV product that a patient can take and that will give them time with their family. For my mother, it was seeing my sister get married and my nephew be born. Those were things that happened after she was diagnosed, and those 5 years gave her time for those incredible milestones, for her to participate in them. All of that is really important to consider when we're developing new oncology products.
The motivation for me is really just understanding the breadth of what we do, understanding how these larger studies will provide answers for patients, healthcare providers, families on what the most effective treatments can be. And that's what motivates all of us at Astellas Oncology.